In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track changes made by collaborators in Smartsheet. When you're working with a team in Smartsheet, multiple people might be updating the same sheet at the same time. Tasks get reassigned, dates change, and sometimes entire rows are edited or deleted. Being able to see exactly who did what and when they did it is incredibly helpful for keeping your projects organized and your team accountable. That's where the activity log comes in. First, make sure you have the Smartsheet sheet you want to review open in front of you. This should be the specific sheet where your collaborators have been making updates. Once you're on that sheet, look towards the top left corner of the screen for the main menu bar. You'll see an option labeled File. Go ahead and click on File. The File menu is where Smartsheet keeps a lot of sheet-level options and tools, including features related to versioning and history. By going into this menu, you're telling Smartsheet that you want to work with the sheet as a whole, not just a single row or cell. After you click on File, a drop-down menu will appear. In this list, look for the option that says View Activity Log. This is the feature that lets you see a detailed record of changes made to your sheet. Click on View Activity Log. Once you open the activity log, Smartsheet will display a panel or window showing a chronological list of actions that have taken place in that sheet. Here, you'll typically see information such as which collaborator made a change, what kind of change it was, and the date and time it occurred. This might include actions like rows being added or deleted, values being updated in specific cells, or sharing permissions being changed. You can usually filter or sort this information to focus on what matters most to you. For example, you might narrow it down to a certain date range, or look specifically at changes made by a particular collaborator. This is especially useful if you're trying to understand how a specific part of your sheet evolved over time, or if you need to review what happened before.